Go.
The Municipal Corporation of Delhi manages thousands of employees across departments, zones, and cadres ranging from office staff to field workers. Today, critical HR processes like recruitment, attendance, transfer, payroll, performance appraisal, and grievance redressal are fragmented across files, registers, and isolated systems. This leads to delay, lack of transparency, poor accessibility for field staff, and weak auditability. Our platform is designed to solve exactly these problems without removing human authority.
Every HR life cycle begins with recruitment. So let's start with the careers portal. This portal is public just like the real government recruitment portals. Instead of scattered PDF notices, vacancies are displayed as structured job cards with clear information, department post, eligibility, number of vacancies, and deadlines. When an applicant clicks apply, they fill a guided form. Once submitted, the application enters a tracked recruitment workflow, eliminating manual registers and follow ups. Behind the scenes, the recruitment flows across four roles: applicant, HR recruiter, interview panel, and approving authority, each with a clearly defined responsibility. First, the applicant submits the application and can track its status, no uncertainty. Next, the HR recruiter performs ATS screening, checking qualifications, experiences, and eligibility, and shortlists those candidates. Then the interview panel records the interview feedback and recommendation. Finally, the approving authority. It reviews the complete file and makes the final selection decision. This separation ensures fairness, auditability, and prevents conflicts, exactly how government recruitments work.
All access in the HRMS is controlled through role based dashboards, enforcing strict separation of responsibility and accountability. First, the At the base is employee dashboard used by individual employees. Above that is department admin dashboard used by heads of departments for verification and initiation. Then comes the central HR admin dashboard representing the HR or establishment branch for scrutiny and policy enforcement. At the top is the approving authority dashboard used only for final decisions. Across all dashboards, the same core HR areas are handled: attendance and leaves, transfer, grievances, performance, and payroll, but each role interacts with them differently.
Now let's come to the attendance and leave workflow for our HRMS. We have the employee dashboard. From the employee dashboard, attendance is viewed, not manipulated. Employees see a consolidated attendance calendar and apply for leave digitally. When then we go to the department admin dashboard. At this level, attendance is verified. Supervisors confirm biometric, supervisor, or GPS based attendance, especially important for field staff. Routine leave requests are approved here, reducing unnecessary escalation. Then the central HR admin is responsible for only the special or escalated leave cases for policy validation. This replaces paper registers and manual follow ups with traceable actions. Next, we go to the transfer and posting workflow. At the department admin dashboard, the transfers cannot be initiated by employees. They are initiated only at the department level as per the government rules. Department submits those transfer proposals with justifications which are then forwarded. The central HR admin dashboard is responsible for the scrutinizing of the proposal, checking vacancy availability, tenure norms, and cadre matching, and records those recommendations. The approving authority sees the complete file, department input, HR scrutiny, and a draft notice order. Approval, return, or rejection always requires the mandatory remarks. Once approved, the officer order is issued and the employee is notified automatically. Then comes the redressal workflow. The employee can raise grievances digitally. Field workers can submit grievances as voice recordings in their local languages, solving a major accessibility issue in this area. Departments perform preliminary review and add remarks. They cannot close grievances. HR conducts investigations, reviews those voice recordings, and prepares those findings. Then comes the approving authority. The final grievance decisions are taken here with full context and audit trail. This ensures fairness, confidentiality, and accountability. The performance appraisal workflow starts with the employee with a self appraisal, having goals, achievements, and challenges. The department admin acts as a reporting officer, adding ratings and remarks. The HR reviews the appraisal, adds reviewing remarks, and prepares the final grading. The authority performs final APAR acceptance or returns it for correction. This mirrors the official government APAR workflows. At every stage, notification is important. This comes to the alert system. Notifications keep users informed, and every action is logged with role, timestamp, and remarks. No decision happens without traceability. This HRMS does not replace authority, rather, it supports them. It replaces fragmented, paper based processes with a unified, inclusive, and audit ready system designed specifically for MCD scale governance. That's it. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.